Before buying a portable solar panel for your RV, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But real buyers are definitely talking about it. Not all panels are created equal, and understanding the differences can save you a lot of frustration on your adventures. Product number 1, GRECLL 200W Solar Panel. Let's kick things off with the GRECLL 200W Portable Solar Panel. Priced at $149.97, this panel caught my attention with its impressive efficiency rating of 23.5%. If you want a reliable, ready-to-go solution for outdoor off-grid power, this is worth a serious look. This means you can maximize your energy collection even on cloudy days or during limited sunlight hours. Plus, it has a sturdy design with IP65 waterproof rating, making it incredibly durable for outdoor adventures. Now, some people complained about its weight, which is around 17.94 pounds. This is perfect for you if you're an avid camper or RV enthusiast looking for reliable power on the go. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultralight and compact. For the price, it's a great value for anyone serious about off-grid energy solutions. Now, if that slight weight issue bothered you, the next option might take a different approach. Product number 2, Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2. Next, we have the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2 with a price tag of $869. At first glance, this powerhouse is designed for those who want substantial off-grid energy. If you want a compact solution that can power multiple appliances, this is worth a serious look. It has a 1070 WH capacity and can charge in just 1 hour with the emergency charging feature. Here's why this matters for you. If you're planning long trips or need backup power, this generator can keep your essentials running smoothly without the worry of dead batteries. However, some users mention the high price point. I get it, $869 is a chunk of change. But consider this, the longevity of the LiFePO4 battery means you're investing in a product that will last beyond 10 years with proper care, making it a solid long-term investment. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable power source for longer trips or emergency situations. Skip this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. For its power capabilities, it offers good value for those in need of serious energy on the road. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability without sacrificing power. Product number 3, Renagi 200W Solar Panel. Now let's talk about the Renagi 200W Portable Solar Panel, priced at $221.09. This one really stood out with its industry-leading efficiency of 25%. If you want more power from limited sunlight, this is worth a serious look. What makes this Renagi panel special is its ability to generate energy even in less than ideal conditions. With its lightweight design at just 13.89 pounds and easy magnetic handle, it's perfect for tight spaces like SUVs or pickup trucks. Imagine charging multiple devices simultaneously while camping. This panel can handle that, allowing you to charge your smartphone, tablet, and power station all at once without a hitch. However, some users have reported issues with the magnetic closure not holding up over time. Here's the thing, while that can be a concern, the impressive efficiency and lightweight design outweigh this flaw for most outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize energy production. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a balance of power and portability. Skip this if you want something that's built like a tank. For the price, it packs a punch for those needing reliable off-grid power solutions on the go. Now, if that magnetic closure issue made you think twice, the next product takes a completely different approach to connectivity. Product number 4, ZOUPW 100W Portable Solar Panel. Next up, we have the ZOUPW 100W Portable Solar Panel, priced at $105.99. This caught my eye due to its versatile connectivity options. If you want a compact solar panel that can connect to multiple devices, this is worth a serious look. This means you can quickly set it up and start charging your devices right away, perfect for those spontaneous camping trips. However, some buyers mentioned that the panel might not perform as well in extremely low light conditions. Here's the thing though, for most casual campers and RVers, this won't be a deal breaker as it's still effective for general use and captures good sunlight in the afternoons. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, versatile charging option for short trips. Skip this if you need heavy-duty performance in all conditions. For the price, it's a fantastic value for occasional use. Alright, that was a solid option. But the last product on my list has an impressive balance of efficiency and durability. Product number 5, Renagi 100W Portable Solar Panel. Finally, let's check out the Renagi 100W Portable Solar Panel, priced at $199.98. This panel is known for its high efficiency of 25%. If you want a reliable solar panel that's easy to transport, this is worth a serious look. It's also designed for quick setup with a pre-installed charge controller, so you can just unfold, adjust, and start harvesting energy. Perfect for those who want hassle-free power on the go. That said, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit bulky when fully unfolded. But here's the deal, the benefits of efficiency and ease of use outweigh this for many users who prioritize power generation in their outdoor adventures. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward solar panel solution for camping or RV trips. Skip this if you need something ultra-compact. For its efficiency and ease of setup, it provides solid value for those needing reliable energy while on the road. So to wrap things up, we've covered the GRECLL 200W for efficiency, the Powerhouse Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2 for serious power needs, the lightweight Renagi 200W for portability, the versatile ZOUPW 100W for connectivity, and the straightforward Renagi 100W for ease of use.